In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Gcash to your PayPal account using a simple workaround. First, it's important to know that Gcash doesn't support direct transfers into PayPal. Instead, you'll move the money through a linked bank account or card that's connected to both Gcash and PayPal. Start by opening Gcash and making sure your account is fully verified. Then, add a bank account or debit card that you also plan to link to your PayPal account. Follow the on-screen steps to add and verify that bank or card inside Gcash. Next, open PayPal, log in, and go to Wallet. Here, link the same bank account or card you used in Gcash. Complete any confirmation steps PayPal requires, like small test charges or codes. Once both are linked, go back to Gcash and use bank transfer or cash out to send money from Gcash to that bank account. After the money appears in your bank, open PayPal and choose Add Money or Top Up from that bank so the funds move into your PayPal balance. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.